Welcome to Michell Consulting Group University. In this video, we'll be discussing how to manage your two-factor authentication settings. To get started, we're going to open up the Microsoft 365 portal. We're going to sign in using your email account. Go ahead and insert your password. And you'll be prompted to authenticate. If this is a computer you're going to use several times, go ahead and select yes. Otherwise, select no. And this is the Microsoft 365 portal. We're going to start by clicking on the profile picture on the top right side. Select View Account. Select Security Info and Update Info. Starting from the top here, we're going to have an option here for default sign-in method. Under this option, you will be able to select what method you want to be prompted with. If you want to receive a text message, or if you want the app to send you a notification, or if you want the app to receive the code and you just type in the code, you'll be able to select whatever method you would like to choose. Now, it should be noted that the methods that you have available here will be determined by your system administrator. Whoever manages your Office 365 account will be able to determine what type of methods you will be able to select from on this list. So here under Add Method, you're going to, if you click on that, it's going to give you different options. And again, these options are determined by your administrator. These options will range from phone, email, or office phone. If you select the phone options, you will have an option to either select text message or receive a voice call. If you select email, you'll choose an alternate email. The Authenticator app is the Microsoft Authenticator app that we will download on your phone. And that for me is the easiest method. What happens when you set up the authentication app is that you'll receive a notification that says, is this you that's actually trying to sign in? After you go ahead and accept that, it will allow you to sign into your account. So let's say you were going to add a new phone. Let's say you lost your old phone, or let's say that your phone, you have a phone replacement and you want to add that to receive the notification or the text messages. What you would do is you would come on here and select Add Method. You would select the method. After you select Add, it's going to go ahead and take you through all the steps. It's going to provide you a QR code for which you scan with your phone, similar to the same way you set it up the first time. Now, if you lost your device, this is also where you want to sign into using one of your alternate methods. For example, let's say that you lose your phone and you have the default method to send you a text message, and you have an alternate method to receive an email. You can authenticate using that alternate method, sign in here, and sign out of everywhere. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Michell Consulting Group, and visit us at mitchellgroup.com for more information.